So this event that we're here at today is actually an event for Nat Geo for their new series, Queens. It's all about the female animals in the animal kingdom, and it's really about their power and the matriarchy. For this project in particular, we really wanted to focus on innovative technology because Fashion Week is a mecca, it's epic. So you can't just approach Fashion Week in a regular way. And so we came to PRG and we had this idea and we said, look, we really want to feature these amazing animals, but we want to do so with some amazing technology. We had an idea for holograms, but we weren't sure how to execute it flawlessly.
When a client comes to us, one of my favorite things is when they have a creative concept and they just come to us and say, how do I accomplish this and execute it? Because PRG doesn't have just one specialty in what we do, we're able to bring in all those ideas together to have the most efficient and high quality setup that we can have. We were able to recreate those actual animals in a life-size, three-dimensional version. We even worked with the choreographer so that all of the dancing is seamless, and we choreographed the actual animals on stage just as we choreographed the models.
We were talking very closely together with the DPs of the actual show, not only to make sure we replicate the animals in a very natural way, but also at the same time that we have quality of image as a reference as well. The projection route means that we're doing projection directly on a gauze that's going to imitate the effect that a more classic hologram effect gives us on stage. And in this case, we're using two Barco 4K 40 UDXs, which are very powerful, so we have a lot of light coming out of it.
So our mantra is fix it and pre. Instead of getting to the venue and moving things around, we figure out where everything's gonna go and where everything is ahead of time. So this is our runway, and we provided this image with dimensions to the choreographer so that he wouldn't create choreography that put the models and the dancers into these areas where they might catch that light from the projection.
What made PRG the best technical partner was really the fact that they came to us with such expertise, such knowledge, that my entire team, after one call, felt like they knew more about the hologram technology than anyone else we had talked to. Not only that, the people that we've worked with at PRG have been phenomenal, and their obsessiveness with creating such a quality product and their amazing ability to make us feel so comfortable with what they're doing and all the technology they're using has just made them the best for me. And I cannot wait to work with them again, honestly.